So hey guys, welcome back. This is Anshuman and today we are going to talk about that what are the best possibilities for tomorrow and how can we look towards Bank Nifty, that what can be the possibilities, the best levels we can see right now. So what I can see basically is yesterday we marked these levels, and if you didn't watch the video, it's a good video. You can go into the playlist pre-market reports and you can see over there. So this was our level which we were planning to, if it breaks, that we will take a short trade, but it didn't happen as we planned, so it didn't break. And there was also one consideration about the fundamentals, that if the IT opens gap down, there's a high possibility that banks will outperform and the Nifty will stabilize. And I was not knowing about the news, but I got to know that there was some sort of announcement for monetary policies by our honorable RBI governor, Mr. Shaktikant Das, and that was the reason we shouldn't have taken a trade till 10:30. The time he was at the time he actually was giving out the speech. So this was not a good time to trade, because the market can be highly volatile in this region. So let's leave this part and look forward. So the market gone breakouts. There's a range. We can mark the range over here. This is the range level where the market took this last resistance. Then the market came and took support of the previous day high. It's not the previous day high, but yeah, day after previous day high. So it took support over here. So this was the perfect place where you could have bought. Like, this is the best trade you could have taken. Now let's see at different things now. Now it gone out, it breaks out. There's some sort of little consolidation and the market moves up. So this was not that good trade, but this is a good trade because you got a perfect stop loss. You got a trade, you got entry over here, and the next candle open, you can go long, stop loss just not exactly below the low, but a bit lower than the low, and a target of at least 1:2 or 1:3 depending upon your trading strategy. So it went up. There's a level of resistance where we can say sharp selling came over. So this is a level of resistance and this is a level of support. The market is currently at the best level of support possible. So what we can expect in the first 10 minutes is, if a green candle, listen to me guys carefully, if a green candle forms over here in the morning 10 minutes or 15 minutes, as soon as it breaks its high, you can go long till here. This could be your possible target region, and put your stop loss over here. This is your stop loss, entry, target. That's it. Okay, how do I back it? Okay, I've drawn so many levels. Yeah. So this is your entry, and this will be your exact target, what I can see right now through the market lines, because this can also act as a resistance. So be a bit on the safer side. So you can take over profit over here and you can trade over here. What if market breaks down? I would not prefer to trade. If market breakdowns, I won't trade, because the market is an uptrend and this will basically result in fighting against the trend. Will the market be trending tomorrow? I'm not expecting so much, but it can be, because I'm not some kind of a god. But yeah, the market can be trending tomorrow because the momentum in the market, because the interest rates are not increased, so there can be a big move tomorrow also. But I'm not expecting that big move, because the market has already digested it by such a good move and breaking the 18,000 levels in Nifty. So it is a fresh level. If market goes over here and there comes opportunity to sell, a good move into the resistance and opportunity, a false breakout. Like, I don't want that market goes over here and reverses like this. No, I want market goes over here, breaks this level and comes like this. This is known as false break setup. If you want to know about it, just mention it in comments. I'll make a separate video on this, how you have to trade false break. So this is what I'm expecting for market tomorrow. If the market creates a false break setup over here, I'm going to trade. If the market forms a bullish or false break setup over here, I'm trading. If market breaks down and not touching this level, I'm not trading tomorrow. That's the basic plan for tomorrow. Let's look at Nifty right now, how Nifty is going. So Nifty is a bit of tricky. I didn't saw this chart because I wasn't trading. To be honest, I wasn't trading today. So this is the level. Same with Nifty. Nifty has formed a good bullish candle, but it's a sort of bullish engulfing. This candle is engulfed this whole candle, and we can expect a good move tomorrow. If the market open flat. So if it's a gap down, that's a different scenario. So this is what my planning for tomorrow is, and meet you tomorrow in the next video. Till then, take care and keep trading. Thank you guys.